What's good, man? Motor Chart guy here, founder of Unbroken Mindset. Just want to drop some of this little news on you. Came out a couple of days ago, so I just wanted to present it to you guys, man, about the eCash Act bill. Uh, I think it's something small, but I think it's something that we need to pay attention to because as we look at it now, America is behind in everything when it comes to digital infrastructure, right? We're last. So let's go here to the article here. And what it says that Republican Stephen Lynch, Garcia, Democratic, and Presley of DMAS and Tlaib introduced the Electronic Currency and Secure Hardware Act. So this is a push for a digital dollar that will be um, token based and not account based. And one of the disadvantages that I already see about this digital dollar is if I lose my wallet, I lost my dollars. But with cryptocurrency, if I lose my phone or if my phone shuts down, you know what I mean? It's easy for me to get another device and use my seed phrases and I can load that wallet up onto a new phone. But this right here is going to be like having real dollars on your phone. So if you lose your phone, you've lost your dollar bill. So that's one thing that I already don't like about it. And for me, I think it's kind of like, in a sense, almost like we kind of don't need it in a sense, because if you look at it, we have Samsung Pay, we have Apple Pay, you have Google Pay, and all of this does the same thing that they're trying to do with this digital currency. So let's just see what happens with it. Let's follow it closely. Another thing that I thought was interesting about this is that instead of using the Fed to regulate it, it's going to be going through the Treasury. So that kind of put my antennas up because we already know that the American dollar lost the gold standard a while ago. So that was interesting. And then another interesting thing about it is that, you know, most cryptocurrencies are based on decentralized ledgers to where you can see the money, you can see the wallets, you can see how much this wallet has and how much that wallet has. But with this American digital dollar, it's going to be centered around privacy. And it's funny because they don't really want us to have privacy with our digital wallets, but now when it comes to this digital dollar, it's going to be centered around privacy. And one of the things that they said that this will benefit the people who, you know, can't get bank accounts or whatever, right? So I think it's pretty cool. I think it's something we should pay attention to. It's a step in the right direction as far as getting to that digital infrastructure that we're so far behind on. Because if you look at it, China already has their pilot cities in place. You know, they already have so many holders of the digital yuan in their wallet. Even Nigeria has the Inera that they're already in beta testing with that as well. South Korea is another country that's pretty much got their digital currency. So I do think that we should follow this closely. Let's see how it changes or alters. Let's see where it goes from here. This is one of the things that I want to put on you guys' radar. So when we do make that step and put this in full operation, that you know how to maneuver and go about your daily life with this digital dollar. So with that being said, man, I'm Motor Chart guy, founder of Unbroken Mindset. You guys take it easy.